Another day, another story. Hey, guys. Today, we're going to talk about how teenagers can make money online in 2023. With the advancements in technology, there are now many opportunities for teenagers to earn money online. In this video, we're going to discuss 10 ways for teenagers to make money online and provide some tips and tricks to help you get started. 1. Online surveys. One way for teenagers to make money online is by completing online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they are willing to pay for it. There are many websites that offer paid surveys, such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. You can sign up for these sites and start earning money by completing surveys in your spare time. 2. Social media management. Another way for teenagers to make money online is by managing social media accounts for businesses. Many small businesses are looking for someone to help them manage their social media presence. If you have experience with social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, you can offer your services to these businesses and earn money. 3. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can work remotely for businesses or entrepreneurs and help them with various tasks, such as answering emails, scheduling appointments, and managing their website. Many virtual assistant jobs are available on freelance websites like Upwork and Fiverr. 4. Content creation. If you have a talent for creating content, such as writing, graphic design, or video production, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals who need content for their websites or social media accounts. Websites like Freelancer and Guru offer opportunities for freelancers to find clients who need their services. 5. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can offer your tutoring services online to other students. Websites like Chegg and TutorMe allow you to sign up as a tutor and start earning money by helping others. 6. Selling products online. If you have a talent for creating handmade products or have items to sell, you can start your own online store on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. You can also sell your used items on platforms like eBay or Poshmark. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. You can become an affiliate marketer for websites like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale and start earning money by promoting products to your followers. 8. Online freelancing. Finally, you can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can offer your skills in various areas like graphic design, web development, writing, or social media management, and start earning money by completing projects for clients. 9. Utilize social media platforms. Social media platforms can be powerful tools for teenagers looking to make money online. You can offer your services as a social media manager to small businesses or influencers who need help managing their online presence. You can also leverage your own social media following to promote products and services and earn a commission through affiliate marketing. Don't underestimate the power of social media when it comes to making money online. 10. Stay focused and persistent. Making money online takes time and effort, and it's easy to get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. However, it's important to stay focused and persistent in your efforts. Set clear goals for yourself and create a plan to achieve them. Remember that success rarely comes overnight, but with hard work and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals. Stay motivated and keep pushing yourself to reach your full potential. Conclusion. These are just 10 ways that teenagers can make money online in 2023. The key to success is finding something that you enjoy and are good at, and then putting in the time and effort to build your skills and reputation. Remember, making money online requires hard work and dedication, but with the right mindset and strategy, anyone can achieve success. Good luck. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you enjoyed the video.